Welcome to Module 1. In this 5-video series about leadership and management, we will explore the difficulty in getting out of office and using walkthroughs to overcome that. We begin here with our first video that talks about the importance of observing our school operations firsthand. Where do you think effective school leaders spend more time? Do they lead more often or manage? If you found that difficult to answer, you are not alone.
We don't get time to move out of the office. There are so many things. Some things are planned and some things are unplanned. At times what happens, the parents come, they just drop in, they want to talk to you. You cannot say no to them. A teacher comes with some other problems. There are students' problems, then there is departmental work, there is so much of office work, there is so much of online work that it becomes very, very difficult to leave your office. Even though you want to leave your office, so many times it happens, I plan that today I am going to visit this particular class, but then I am not able to go. Once I noticed that the whole day I was in the office from morning till evening and I could not step out. So this is one of the most hardest thing that we have to balance, how we can move out of our office.
The struggles we school leaders face are department work, the education department work, wherein there is ad hoc meetings that they schedule, ad hoc documents that we need to produce. Even though all the available information is available on the government website, still they're like, bring this, bring that. So these are quite ad hoc. And next comes the parent meeting. Sometimes parents come with their issues regarding the school or the teachers. Even though we have a stipulated time, parents still come outside that stipulated time, and they want to meet, wherein we have to again reschedule all our planned event. We could be under class observation, we could be under school walkthrough, we could be doing anything, and when parents come, we have to go meet them. We can't keep them waiting for a long time. I feel as a school leader, I also do teach students. So for me, along with this, planning for my classes also is becoming a struggle now. I do not want to enter the class unplanned, but nothing goes as per what we have planned.
School leaders are often required to shuffle between leadership and management. This balance is important because it decides how much time we end up spending inside our office versus outside the office. A lot of management tasks, such as administrative matters, need to be dealt within the office. However, some key leadership tasks, ones that help us improve student learning, can only be done properly outside the office. This is because we need to observe and interact with what is happening firsthand. But why observe firsthand? Here are few reasons. It helps us get direct evidence of what is happening in our school rather than what should be happening. It shows our staff, students, and parents that we take an active interest in school. Another really important reason is that teaching and learning mostly happens in classrooms. As leaders, we will never fully understand this important aspect if we spend too much time inside our office.
Office is one like a den for a principal where she's sitting doing all her work, and at times it gets so difficult to leave your office and move outside the office, because I feel the classrooms are the real essence of any schools. So until and unless you don't move out of your office, you cannot see what is happening to your school, where your school is going, where it is lacking behind. So I feel it is very important to move out of your office and see what is happening outside the office. I know it is difficult at times because there are so many work, there is so much paperwork, we always have this excuse, but then I feel we have to remove time to know where our school is leading, and it is very important.
Most of the time we lead people who we expect them to give us reports. The reports are given in the office. But then if you want to have a touch with the reality of the reports, then you go out. So going out is an opportunity for you to compare the reports you get from the teachers versus the reality on the ground. And so any school leader who does not take time to leave the office, chances are you will be responding to a report which has no reality. So it is important to go outside your office to be in touch with reality.
Even though we would like to spend time outside, sometimes there is just too much going on. So, how do we stay up to date with what's happening outside? School walkthroughs are a great tool for that. We will learn more about it in our next video. Before we end, here is something for you to think about. How much time do you currently spend inside versus outside your office? Are you happy with that balance? In the next video, we will learn how to carry out a general walkthrough. Thank you for watching.